Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning the simple concept of FizzBuzz. So what is FizzBuzz? Let's say we have a number which is divisible by both 3 and 5. If that is the condition, then we will print FizzBuzz. But if the number is divisible by 3 only, we will print Fizz. However, if the number is not divisible by 3 and it is only divisible by 5, we will call this Buzz. But if none of these conditions satisfies, we will print the number itself. So let's define a function. Let's call it FizzBuzz, and inside the FizzBuzz there will be a number. So our condition is if the number is divisible by 3 and 5, we will print FizzBuzz, right? So let's check the number. If number is divisible by 3 and number divisible by 5. So what this means is this is our modulo symbol. So what this does is it takes the remainder. Let's say we are dividing 3 by 3. So there is no remainder, right? So it's 0. But if we are dividing 5 by let's say 2, then what will be our remainder? Our remainder will be 1, right? So likewise, this will take the remainder. So if this condition satisfies, then we will print FizzBuzz, right? So FizzBuzz. Now our second condition is if the number is only divisible by 3, then we will print Fizz, right? So we need to check. Else if number is divisible by 3 only. So this means if the number is divisible by 3 only. So this modulo symbols means remainder, okay? Okay, so if that is the condition, then we will print Fizz. Then our next condition is if the number is divisible by 5 only, right? So we will be doing else if number modulus 5 equals 0. If that is the case, then we will print Buzz. Okay, so what if none of these conditions satisfies? There could be some numbers, right? So if none of these conditions satisfies, we will print the number itself. So at the else condition, what we will do is we will print the number itself. Alright, we have created the function. Let's see if it actually works. So I'll be calling FizzBuzz with the number, let's say 5. So what is our condition? If the number is only divisible by 5, Buzz should be printed, right? So let's run it and see. As you can see, Buzz is printed. So let's see if I give 15 over here. 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5, right? So a FizzBuzz should be printed. So let's run the code and see. Yeah, FizzBuzz is printed, right? So this is the question of FizzBuzz, which teaches you the concept of if-else statement. If you want to solve more complex problems, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.